Good day, everyone. Today, I will discuss one possible environmental scenario that could happen in my community 10 years from now if we do not take significant environmental action today. The photo, the photo, it talk shows drainage canal along Montalban Street, Butuan City. As we can see, the drainage is filled with the different kinds of waste such as plastic bottles, food wrappers, plastic containers, and other garbage. The water also looks dark and dirty. This shows a problem with improper waste disposal and poor drainage maintenance. So, future scenario 10 years from now is if this problem continues, the drainage system could more become more severely clogged. During heavy rains, water may not flow properly because garbage can block the drainage. This can use flooding on roads and nearby homes or businesses. The dirty water can also produce a bad smell and become a place where mosquitoes and other pests can grow. Waste may also reach rivers and other waterways, which can cause water pollution if people continue throwing garbage into drainage canals. The environmental and health problems could become worse. Now, these are the current action taken by the government. So the government is implementing waste management programs and enforcing rules against improper waste disposal. Local authorities also conduct drainage cleaning, encourage proper waste segregation and disposal. The community can help by participating in clean-up drives, such as like this, keeping drainage areas free from garbage, and reminding people not to throw waste into canals. Now, personally, I can help by properly disposing of my own garbage in home, like separating recyclable and unrecyclable waste. Avoiding single-use plastic when possible, and reminding my family and friends to keep drainage areas clean. Now, the evaluation for me is I think this action are helpful but still not enough. Government programs can improve waste management by regularly monitoring and enforcement are needed. Community cleanup activities can remove existing garbage, but the problem will also return if people continue littering. Personal action are small, but they can make a difference when many people practice them every day. Now, the recommendation and personal commitment. I recommend that the government increase regularly cleaning and inspection of drainage canals, improve garbage collection, install proper waste bins in areas where needed, and strictly enforce rules against throwing garbage into waterways and drainage system. The community should also organize regular cleanup activities like this in the current action right now. Now, the dangers of improper waste disposal. My personal commitment is to never throw garbage into drainage canals, practice proper waste segregation, reduce my use of plastic, and encourage other people to keep our surrounding clean. In conclusion, the garbage we throw away today can become a bigger problem in the future. Now, if we do nothing, our drainage system may become more clogged. Flooding may become worse, and then our environment may become unhealthy. That is why environmental action must begin today. By working together, we can keep one city clean, safe, and healthy for the next generation. Thank you.